I have a small 600-acre lake that I'm going to fish, and I'm going to do some AutoChart live recordings. But it is 600 acres, and that's a lot of idling. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to identify some key areas to fish while I'm there and areas to concentrate on for my AutoChart live recordings. The only information I can find on this lake is a bait shop map. This was a paper map that I scanned in. I loaded this into Google Earth, positioned it properly, and then I saved it as a .kml file so I can load it into AutoChart. In my AutoChart application, I'm going to right-click and map here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to go to Tools, Settings, and I'm going to go down to Background Map. And its default right now is Lake Master, but I'm going to go down and I'm going to use a custom map. I've already done the path to find my Baylor Lake overlay, and so I'm going to click OK. And so that has changed my map now to the Baylor Lake overlay. If it does not appear, right-click and make sure that Background Map is clicked on here. So now I'm going to put waypoints on my AutoChart map for points of interest. I'm going to look at some submerged points, and so I'm going to right-click, mark waypoint. I'm going to double-click on that, and I'm going to change the icon to an airplane, which to me looks like a point. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to call this point 1. And I will go to the next one, this one here, mark waypoint, point 2. Looking at our waypoint manager, I went ahead and put several points in, a roadbed, and some humps. Now I'm going to go back to my Lake Master map. So I go to Tools, Settings, and I go to Background Map, and I just simply come and click on Lake Master. Click OK. And these are the points of interest that I want to look at. So it makes it easy for me just to focus on this part of the lake. I still have my map. I can reference the other areas I might want to check out. This is really going to help me reduce the amount of time that I have to spend on the water doing AutoChart live recordings. We showed you earlier that we had this paper map scanned in and positioned on Google Earth. We have created a course that shows you how to take this paper map and turn it into an AutoChart overlay that you can put into your Humminbird unit. So when you get to the lake, you already have a 10-foot contour map ready to go, and you can idle over the areas of interest. And now you'll have 1-foot contours that you can use with AutoChart Live. Come see us at lakeimagestraining.com, then go to the map building tutorials, then select the Build AutoChart Maps from Paper Maps or Pictures. Watch our overview video to see if this product is something you might like.